Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to easily change the size of desktop icons in Windows 10. Whether you prefer large, medium, or small icons, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Step 1. To resize desktop icons, simply right-click the desktop. A context menu will appear. Step 2. Next, hover your cursor over the View option in the menu. This will reveal a submenu with various icon size options. Step 3. Now, select the icon size that suits your preference. You have 3 choices: large icons, medium icons, or small icons. Large icons. This option displays icons in a larger size, making them easier to see and click. It's great for users who prefer a more prominent desktop display. Medium icons. Choosing this option sets the icons to a moderate size, striking a balance between visibility and conserving desktop space. It's a popular choice for most users. Small icons. Selecting this option reduces the size of icons, allowing for more items to fit on the desktop. It's ideal for users who want to maximize their workspace. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the size of desktop icons in Windows 10. Remember, right-click the desktop, go to View, and select your preferred icon size from the options provided. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.